first things first is we want to install a sensor. So I'm going to create a key. In this case, it's going to be called, it doesn't really matter, but let's call it server, because that's going to be servers. So I'm setting up a tag. In this case, yeah, there will be some advantage in showing tags, but not a big deal. So I have my installation key, so I could install as many agents as I want. But in this specific case, what I will do is I forgot about something. I have a Windows server installed, but it's a headless server. Apologies for the delay. I just need to download the installer. So the nice thing about the installers, they're universal. So you can download it from wherever. Or because LimaCharlie, you'll see we don't really hide anything. We're infrastructure first. So it means that you can also download it directly off of a static set of URLs. In this case, it's hps app.limaCharlie.io/get/Windows/64. And we are going to download this to the root, and we're going to call it sensor.exe. Let's see if that worked. Yeah, it worked. Amazing. Okay. So okay. So sensor.exe-i. And I'm going to take my installation key. So it's really that straightforward. So I've got my installer, it's an exe. I'm going to put my installation key -i and run it. There we go. It's installed. Oh, sorry for the delay here. So if I go back here, I should see it pop in. There we go. My sensor is coming in. It's online. Kernel's showing unavailable. It's probably just going to take a minute for it to come in online. No matter. So we've got a box called server. It's got a different name, and it's got a tag server. That means that if we do a sanity check here, I could come here. Sorry, I've got paranoid authentication turned on, so it's asking me for every tab. So in theory, if I come here, okay. So here we go. I just went live against it right through LimaCharlie Cloud just to do sanity check. Like it's running, it's talking to us, everything's good. I can see like network, file system, processes going to take a minute because it's the first boot, so it's starting to hash everything, check all the signatures, and then in a minute or two, it's going to pop up and show us all the processes. Everything's signed. Hopefully, it should be.